Saigon. Every corner has a story, every street leads the way to something for someone. Walking down the street in Saigon. By the time you view this, I'll be gone, I'll be gone. But I miss you, Saigon. Saigon streets filled with narrow homes, love balconies, love the energy. Walking down a street in Saigon. Every corner has a story, every street leads the way to something for someone. Walking down a street in Saigon. By the time you view this, I'll be gone, I'll be gone. But I miss you, Saigon. Take a stroll in Saigon, it's what you need. Clear your mind, Saigon streets.
Okay, we're in Saigon. This is the street that we're on, and they sell books on the street. So we're gonna walk all the way down and try to see how many books we can see. There's one. And so stay tuned. Kind of give you an idea. Okay, so stay tuned. And we're gonna go check out the street. And it's also just a random street in Saigon, so you can also see it. And there's supposed to be a lot of used books. Okay, Saigon. This is up on the map. I'm not gonna try to pronounce the name of the street, but it's there's a book street, and I filmed that already, and I'm gonna put that as in the thumbnail at the end, so you can view the real one if you want. And I heard this also had books as well, so I went down to the street and I walked down it. I found some, and I just found a lot of other cool stuff too, and I filmed it, so you can get an idea of what another slice of Saigon looks like through this particular street. And I also got more Saigon coming up as well, so stay tuned, subscribe. I'll put a new one up about every 5 days, and until the whole series is done. And let's do the walk and talk, where I'm going to walk through the camera and you can feel like you're there yourself. So that's one. So there's two book streets in Saigon. This is number one. Sorry, the other one is it's kind of a short street. But this, I think that one they call it Book Street. And then this one is my first time walking on it. So I don't know how many we're gonna see. Looks like I see the washing machine over there. Green laundry. I see some over there. I'm gonna try to run across if it's possible. So there's some more books over here. Wait, I thought I saw books. Looks like more like a stationery shop. You got some bakery stuff and bread. Hello. So we're kind of looking for bookshops here. So let me see. We're gonna try to navigate a little bit. So this street, looks like lots of stuff over there. Basically all the streets look kind of interesting, and it's hard to know what to look for exactly. But regardless, we will... Hello. Regardless, we will kind of get an idea of what the street looks like. We know we definitely saw one bookstore. That was the very first one. But it's kind of interesting to get these kind of
row of tenement looking. So I don't know, we'll see. Actually, there's a lot of those kind of tenement kind of homes. We'll just see if we can, what else we can see here. If I don't see, if that was the only bookstore, then there's supposed to be a book street on this. I don't know, not really sure. But regardless, you do get an idea of what another part of Vietnam looks like. Really kind of like rows of tenements. And this one is kind of the cool Vietnamese architecture. I guess we're gonna walk in the street, I guess. And I guess what I'm gonna be doing is I'm gonna walk all the way down to the end of the street no matter what. I don't know, maybe I had to go the other way. Maybe the book street is a different direction from where I started. That's possible too. But anyways, we're in Vietnam, we're in Saigon, and I'm basically just showing different streets of whatever I might see. And the more random it is, the better, because I want to show you, you know, this kind of random Saigon anyways. I don't want to just go just to the tourist sites and show you what's on YouTube everywhere already. So we'll just keep on going down. And show you whatever we see. There's a little food cart. Kind of Chinese food cart. Okay, so we're gonna keep on strolling down, seeing what we can see. If you want, I'll put a map up. You probably already saw the map. It'll be at the beginning of the video. This looks like a little bit of a challenge to get across. This book street says it's this street that I'm on, but it could be, you know, it could be a lot of different things. It's like a show right there. So that's going to be the end of our street up there. Hello. I like how they do this, where they have all the tables set outside. Diva Star Coffee. I wish I wanted a coffee. It's one of the challenges of Vietnam. You're almost always in the street all the time. So I only saw one book, so either it was the other way, but yeah, according to something I saw, this is supposed to be Book Street. So I wrote it down to come here. But it doesn't matter. I mean, I could have had one syllable wrong. Maybe it was T-A-N instead of T-O-N. You know, I don't know. But regardless, I did get to see something different that I didn't expect to see. so I am able to see another slice of Saigon that I might not have came to visit. Pretty cool places. And now die. Some restaurants. Probably should eat over here, but the sun is starting to go down, so I'm a little bit unsure. I think I should probably. That looks kind of cool. Hello. See ya. Guys look like gangsters. So we're coming out to the main street over here, and I guess this is going to be the end of the street. So let me kind of try to get through here a little bit. And so this is kind of a random street, I guess. So that would be our street right there. And now we're just out at this kind of cool looking other street out here. But there's more stuff I want to see in Saigon, so this one is just going to be the end of this video. But at least you got another taste. Actually, this street looks kind of like a good street to walk down, to be honest. But anyways, that was our target street down that way.
Saigon, every corner has a story. Every street leads the way to something for someone. Walking down the street in Saigon. By the time you view this, I'll be gone, but I miss you, Saigon.